Good morning guys, subscribe to my channel. I'm Ash Milana. Yes, I'm here at Kalumpang, Binondo, Rizal. Dahil may pasok kami, nandito ako. 1 yung pasok namin. Gagawin natin, i-raid ko yung sarili kong bag and yung personal bag ko sa school. That's it. Morning. This is my yellow pad, my notebook. Yes, my personal kit ang my bag. My gel, fix hair gel. Maganda siya sa buhok. Fix Listerine. My favorite flavor ng Listerine. Colmint. And hand cream. Ginagamit ko siya pagka nasa school ako. And pwede na rin para din siyang lotion for hand. Next, in my bag. Earphones. Wallet. My phone keypad. Ginagamit ko siya pang tawag and minsan pang text. Coin wallet. My favorite perfume in my life. Ash Scent. It's 150 pesos in online Ash Scent page and mag-open na yung store ko this December. Alcohol, whiteboard, marker, ballpen. Wala yung block ko. Wala na. Ay, pocket wifi. And that's it. Gulo. Bye.